As a child, what did you picture yourself as, and how does that differ compared to what you're doing now?
Well, as a child, I've always wanted to be a soccer player, and and now I'm an accountant because, well, being a soccer player is pretty unattainable because you need that .1 skill that only people like Ronaldo and Rooney probably has. So I guess I took after like high school and uni started, probably took a more attainable course of life.
Is what you do now a reflection of what you're good at?
Yeah, I was always good at accounting in high school, so I just took that in uni.
Was accounting something that you chose to take, or your parents suggested you to take it?
Well, accounting was something I wanted to take, but then my dad wanted me to be some sort of either a lawyer or an accountant, so I guess he gave the choices and I opted.
It would be fair to say that you had half of control over your high school subjects and your dad had the other half control.
No, I had full control, but I took suggestions from other people.
Do you have any regrets about where your life has taken you?
Well, there's only one regret, which was I slacked a bit too much in high school, and that's why I couldn't get into my first choice of uni, so I had to settle for my second choice. But now that I've gone 1.5 through that RMIT, which was my second choice, I can actually transfer to Uni Melbourne. So I guess no regrets.
What about your subjects in university? Do you have total control of them, or do other people have control over your subjects?
I have full control of my subjects in uni.
Okay. Alright, thank you.